First on the list. The Pantin Girl. Oh, dahan-dahan. Stop mo na. Umampi ka lang. Okay, exit. Next on the list. Angel Condensada. Third on the list. Miss Modest. Miss Susan Forte. Miss Magic Sarap. Miss. Ayaw ka na. Post mo na natin, ha. Third on the list goes to a woman lactocid.
With no goodbye, it still don't matter. They both testify. It's mine, and you should die.
And last, but certainly not the least, goes to Pride Washing Machine. Akala ko si Reggie yung fit room. Alam namin. Kung kasi ngumiti siya eh. Tingin kayo dito. Gusto ko yung video talaga. Proper na sila. Post muna. Naka-camera kayo.
Naka-hontok, hindi ko sali.
Iba kami siya prinsesa.
Sa kagubatan siya na
Kagubatan. Tutok mo dito. Kaya yung video. Hindi, akala ko talaga si Reggie ang fit room. Di ba sino nakakama? Akala ko talaga siya yung fit room.
Nakatanggap.
Magpanggap si Reggie, kumbaga. Dahan-dahan lang. First on the list. Belle, you're in.
Sorry. Pag na effort lang yun.
You automatically go to the top 3. Congratulations. Next on the list. Huh? Ariel, you're in.
Sabi ko ba nga area? Sabi mo yung ka talaga.
Oo, namuna na yun ang maganda.
Last on the list. Your prince is waiting in your room. Sleeping Beauty, you're in.
Hindi ko sabihin yan. Ay! Sabi tayo.
Have your final walk. Okay. Dahan-dahan. And now we're on our way to the question and answer portion.
Shit, agad siya.
Do your position.
What is freedom?
Yes. Total alam nilang tatlo yun, di ba? Okay.
I will conduct a experiment.
Oh, yes.
What's first on the list?
Nita.
No, hindi, ano pa. Fill in ganun, no?
Pompiang.
Pompiang. Do the Pompia.
Lang naman ito.
Oo.
Hindi pa to. Ito lang
Oo.
naman.
What is freedom?
Kaya ito sa inyo.
Oo. Oo.
Yan. Ma-alone ka dyan.
Lapit kayo ng konti dito sa ano.
Single shot.
Oo. Lakas niya ko kasi boss niya.
What is freedom? What is freedom? Freedom is the right of the people to do anything they want. Intends to do it is denied. Where people escape their rights. They're deprived baywire. Ano ba dyan yung baywire yun? W, waste of rights. A, I cannot see. R, realization.
Thank you, Miss Camille.
Makadistract talaga yung kanta. Talagang sila lang kayo.
At is
Next on the list, Miss Cynthia. Louder your voice. Dito, lapit pa kayo, ma'am.
what
Go.
is freedom for you?
Freedom is the right of the people to do whatever the things they need to do or their heart intends to do. Freedom is the right of the people that oh my God. It is the right of every people to do what
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss Cynthia.
kunwari
Oo, magpare.
What is freedom? An item of the use of gentlemen, the freedom is what our Filipino people fight for against the conquerors that want to colonize our country, which causes war. Which item of the use of gentlemen war means W, supply, food, absence of peace, and all. Realization that in everyone there is no winner, there is no against.
And there are the finalists.
Okay, and what would you just ask them? So we're going to open it to this one.
For Filipino press.
Hindi rin sanctuary yan.
Ikaw lang.
Yung gasgas na, gasgas na question ulit. Yung part of the house.
Sige.
Isa lang yung ano.
O, pasok muna kayo dito. Dali, tatapusin lang natin to. Dali, pasok kayo dito konti. Sige pa. O, ayos kayo, ha. Sige pa, pasok pa. Sige pa, pasok pa konti.